Hello everybody, I have just finished my work and I'm going back home. I have a very good news to share with you all. Before that, we have a lovely sunny day today. As you can see, the sun is reflecting on me. The good news is that one of my chickens have become broody. And because I don't have any experience of it, this will be my first experience. I am thinking to make her sit on eggs and hatch the eggs naturally. And to achieve my goal, I have bought a cockerel. What a stupid driver! From right hand side, he crossed me, he cut me off from my front and went to the left hand side. How stupid he is. And this is all happened in the roundabout. This is what I say, you're not responsible on your driving only, you're responsible for others driving as well. You might be driving right, you're absolutely perfect in your driving, but somebody else, third person, stupid person will do silly things and you might get involved in an accident. So always be careful on others driving as well, how they behave their driving. He just annoyed me for a second. I was so upset on him. You all must be wondering, what is this wire here for? This is for the camera cam. There's a small camera cam in front of my screen, so this is the wire of it. And I have bought another cockerel, which is this one. The way he flirts with the chickens is, I'll show you his dance. This is the one, broody one. This is the broody one. Let me show you my chicken coop from inside and outside. This is the water. This is the feeding trays. And this is the chicken coop which I have built myself in 9 months of time. I have put in it 3 nesting trays, and I did put a heater as well, and there is a light on it for night time. Right, I have shown you my chicken house, I have shown you my chickens, I have shown you all the preparation. So what I will do, I'll keep updating you every week about this situation, that if the chicken has started sitting on the eggs or not, or whatever will be happening, I will let you know the next. So don't forget to subscribe, click on subscribe now. And click on bell as well, so you get the notification of my updates. If you like my clips, don't forget to click likes. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye.